Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel. In today's video, I will teach you how to turn off the pattern lock in your Oppo A5s. Okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. Okay guys, you only have to do is go to setting in your Oppo mobile phone. Okay guys, here in settings, scroll down and find the fingerprint, face, and password. Okay, click this. Okay guys, here in fingerprint, face, and password, you can see the lock screen password is on. Okay, all you have to do is click lock screen password. And okay, we need to draw your pattern or your pattern lock. And okay guys, after that, you can see the turn off password. So okay, click turn off password. And okay guys, we need to draw the pattern again to turn off your pattern lock screen in your Oppo A5s. And okay guys, successfully turn off the pattern password in your Oppo A5s. Okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, that's it and thank you for watching.